morning to all you lovely people out there. Today is Monday, January 14th, and it is the first day of my last semester of college. Right now it is about 8:20 in the morning. I woke up at 7:45 and I had some quiet time to myself where I just kind of read for a little bit. Right now I am eating breakfast. I have some toast and yogurt, and I'm going to eat while I talk to you guys for a little bit, and then I need to start getting ready for class. So I'm pretty pumped about today, even though it's going to be really busy. So I thought I would bring you guys along and do a little follow me around day in the life type vlog video. So Mondays are going to be pretty busy for me. They're going to be my busiest days. Technically Monday, Wednesday, Fridays are going to be the busiest days, but I do have a class once a week, and it's on Mondays, which is today. So today's going to be pretty busy. So my first class is at 10 a.m. and I think I'm going to leave here at about 9:15, which is like an hour, just to make sure I have enough time. I need to find a parking spot, especially because parking on my campus is already so bad. And my first class is in a building that I've actually never had a class in before. Like, I've been inside it, but I have not had a class there, and so I just want to give myself enough time to find it and just be prepared. Alright, I am on my way to my car. It is cold outside. I am running a little late, but it's fine since I was early. I can't really show you my outfit right now because I am already in the car, but I'll try to find a mirror somewhere later and show you guys. So right now I'm going to go to campus and hope I can find a parking spot. Also, I don't know how exciting exactly this vlog is going to be because I have class from 10 to 10:50 and then 11 to 11:50, and then I have a 1 hour break for lunch, and I packed a lunch so I will eat on campus. And then I have a class from 1 to 1:50 and then 2 to 2:50, and then I have like a 3-hour break, and then I have a class at 5, but it's only once a week, it's only 1 hour. So hopefully that should be good. It's not the best schedule. Again, all of my classes are on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but I will try to make this vlog as exciting as it can be. Hello again, it is a few hours later. I just got out of my first 2 classes. They went well, I thought they were good, they seemed interesting. My first class was management concepts, and my second one was abnormal child psychology, and now I'm eating lunch. I am talking kind of quietly because I'm in a quiet area and there's a person over there. So I have an hour to eat lunch. I'm eating a sandwich. And then I have 2 more classes, and then a 3-hour break, which I think I'm going to go hang out with Gavin. And then my last class is at 5, and I'm going to go home to eat dinner, and then Gavin and I have church tonight at 8. So for right now, I'm just going to finish eating lunch and watch some videos or something, and then I'll probably see you guys after my next 2 classes. So I just got out of my next 2 classes. It is now about 3 o'clock, and I am walking to Gavin's place, and I'm probably going to hang out with him for a bit because I have like a 3-hour break until that last class at 5. So I'm just going to hang out with him, probably play some Overwatch, and get an early dinner. So the next time that I see you guys will probably be after my 5 o'clock class, probably when I'm back home around 6:15-ish. I couldn't find a mirror, so this is my outfit. That's all. I just put my headphones in and they are so cold because it's so cold outside. Hello, hello. I just got out of my 5 o'clock class. We got out a little early, so it's like 5:30 right now. So I went and got dinner with Gavin. We got Witch Witch, which I love. I love Witch Witch. And then I went to my class. It was fine. It was my marketing class, and it's only once a week, so that's cool. It's pretty much going to be a blow-off class. It's mainly just like guest speakers. The only reason I took it was because it's a 1-hour class, and I needed 16 hours this semester to graduate in May, and there's only so many 1-hour classes, so I am done with my day. I'm finally done. It was a very busy day. So right now I'm going to go home, and I don't really know what I'm going to do yet because I have some free time before church at 8. Sadly, Gavin cannot come to church tonight because he has a fire drill thing at his dorm because he's an RA. He is a resident assistant, so he has to lead a fire drill tonight. But I will be going to church at 8, and so I got some time. I might have a snack before I leave just because I had dinner really early. But I might work on some bullet journal stuff that I was talking about in my last vlog, my last video, which I will link up here. And if you want to go check that out, because I was talking about custom bullet journal orders. So I might work on that, watch some Game Grumps or something. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just glad to be done for the day. I'm home from church. I've been home for a couple hours actually. It's like 11 p.m. right now. Church was really good. It was fun. I'm tired if you can't tell. Right now, I think I'm just going to read for a bit before bed. That does remind me though, I want to talk about a book. So I like to go to my local library. And so I went the other day, so I got this book and it was so good. It's called Sociable by Rebecca Harrington. And I got this the day before yesterday, and I finished it yesterday. It's very good. I recommend it. And then I got a second book that I'm going to start tonight. My teenage self right now is like shaking. It's Fangirl. Everyone's read this book. Not everyone, but I love this author, and I loved Eleanor Park. I've been wanting to read this book for so long. Anyway, so I found it at the library, and so I knew that I had to get it. And so I'm going to start this tonight. And we'll probably have finished it by either tomorrow or the next day. Alright, so I'm going to wrap up my day. It's a pretty good day. Can't complain. We mainly just went over the syllabus for each class, so pretty easy. I'm looking forward to my classes. They seem nice and fun and interesting. Tomorrow I only have one class at 9:30 in the morning, and so I'll be done by like 11, and I'm just gonna come home, and I don't even know. I haven't even figured that out yet. So I'm gonna get started on this book and go to bed. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you would like this video, stuff like that. I love you all wherever you are, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video.